together in 1948 and said enough is enough. Since the foreigners are there, but they are not there to protect our interests. Let me tell you what the foreigners could have done if actually they love us. Remember, the same people that colonized us colonized India and China. Are you following? And these people that colonized India, India still maintain their way of life, Hinduism. But we in Africa, they took everything. Here is them. They slaughtered the CRK, Christian Religious Knowledge, into our school curriculum. But go to China and India, Christian religion knowledge is not slaughtered in their school curriculum. In fact, CRK has nothing to do with development and technology. People that develop this Android phone, the smart television, and the rest of them, they are not even Christians. They don't even study those CRK. So they use CRK, studying CRK to enslave us, so that they will keep on lording over us, claiming superiority over us. So they use their intention of bringing their way of life is just to enslave us, nothing more. Their intention was never pure. Their intention was never to make us great. Their intention is for us to remain poor. You understand? So to mindset us, take our brain balls, take our alternator, and take all that made us great. So their intention was never for our own well-being. They took everything in our place that make us great. You know why they took all those things? They took all those things so that we will depend on them. They will tell us that we should not fight. Why they are taking all our mineral resources? They tell us that we should not fight, that whoever that slap us in this cheek, we should turn the other one. But they do that to them. They will respond with bombardment, heavy bombardment with missiles. But for you, after taking all that belongs or that made us tick, they now begin to preach to us about paradise, while they are busy building their own paradise here on earth. Who is fooling who? So I'm talking to you as an African child. See what they would have done if actually they really love us. What they would have done is, look, when they are bringing missionary, the way they did with China and India, they shouldn't have gone to our religious stuff. But because they have ulterior motive. Now, religious stuff, they came. Instead of us to tell us, your forefathers are great. You can actually consult your forefathers for prayers. You can actually pray to your forefathers. They will answer you. They should have told us that destroying our Obi is out of it. That we should have a place where we reference our ancestors and our fathers. But do you know what they did? They demonized everything that has to do with our spirituality.